Charlie Hiccup.
We're trying to get on that front row. Our teammates seem to have that pretty well covered, and anything after that, we just get ready to go racing. With Bill Elliott, past winner of the Daytona 500, but that does not guarantee him a qualifying spot for the 2010 race. But fourth in practice.